I know we've been putting this off for a while, but we're finally ready to do our gender reveal today. Unfortunately, this child did not fill out its survey and select one of the 27 available genders, so we had to pick for it. We got a small explosion, and we're gonna find out what we're having today. I hope you all enjoy.
Where the freaks at? Tell me, where the freaks at? Freaks at, freaks at, freaks at, freaks at. Tell me where the freaks at.